This is Force 13, Australian Oceania Channel for Monday, the 29th of August, with the latest on the developing severe and thunderstorm activity scenes. Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has in place a top priority severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall, large hailstones, damaging winds for the Mallee, Wimmera, the southwest, the North Country forecast districts, severe thunderstorms impacting western Victoria. The trough will move eastward across western Victoria as a low pressure system develops to the southwest. Severe thunderstorms are developing along this trough and will move eastward during the afternoon and evening. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce heavy rainfall, flash flooding, large hailstones, damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Mildura, Horsham, Starwell, Hamilton, Portland and Ararat. 100 km/h wind gust was recorded at Horsham Airport just after 3 p.m. The Bureau also has in place a top priority severe weather warning for the East Gippsland, the Northeast, the West, the South Gippsland forecast districts, and it's for damaging winds, vigorous winds developing over the eastern ranges overnight Monday into Tuesday. North to northwesterly winds will strengthen across the eastern ranges ahead of an approaching front late today into early Tuesday morning. Winds are forecast to ease later Tuesday morning following the passage of the front. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 km an hour, peak gusts of around 90 km an hour possible over the eastern ranges from late Monday evening into early Tuesday morning, and the conditions are expected to ease Tuesday morning. Locations: Dargo, Falls Creek, Mount Hotham, Mount Bunna and Omeo. Initial flood watch has been issued for the western, central and eastern Victoria. Minor flooding may develop from Tuesday morning for catchments in the flood watch area. Isolated moderate flooding possible. Dynamic cold front expected across Victoria today, bringing rainfall and possible severe thunderstorms to western, central and eastern parts of the state. Rainfall totals to 15 to 25 millimetres forecast across the region, and isolated higher totals possible. Further rainfall expected for Tuesday, 20 to 40 millimetres actually increasing across the eastern ranges, and 10 to 20 millimetres possible elsewhere through the flood watch area. With the level rises in areas of minor flooding may develop from Tuesday morning across the flood watch area. Isolated moderate flooding possible, and flood warnings are current for the Yarra, Latrobe, Kyra river catchments. The Bureau also has in place a top priority severe thunderstorm warning for the lower western and the upper western forecast districts. Trough moving in the western parts of the state will lead to the development of severe thunderstorms this afternoon, and may also develop into supercells over the next few hours, expected to move to the southeast. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce damaging winds, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Wentworth, Menindee and Fowler's Gap. The Bureau has in place a initial flood watch for parts of the New South Wales Central West, South West inland rivers. We need flooding possible for parts of the New South Wales Central West and South West inland rivers from Tuesday. Flood warnings current for several New South Wales inland catchments. A flood watch is called for the Upper Murray and the Mitter rivers in Victoria. And the Bureau of Meteorology has issued a top priority severe thunderstorm warning for the Channel Country forecast districts here in Queensland. Mount Hewitt Station, Windora and Morning are under the warning area. Severe thunderstorms will continue to develop along a surface trough in the southwest this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce damaging winds, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours, locations which may be affected as mentioned. The Bureau of Meteorology has in place a top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds for people in parts of the Snowy Mountains, the southwest slopes forecast districts. Vigorous winds developing over the alpine areas early hours of Tuesday. On the screen is the current warning area. North to northwesterly winds strengthening across the alpine areas. Again ahead of an approaching cold front from the early hours, and a forecast to ease later in the morning. Damaging winds averaging 80 to 90 kilometres an hour, peak gusts of around 110 kilometres an hour possible over the alpine areas above the 1900 metre mark during Tuesday morning, and expected to develop well before sunrise, easing late Tuesday morning. And the only place under the warning is the Fredbo top station. Now we have a look at the Bureau's total forecast of rain. It is a developing picture. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and quite a large area likely to get some rain. But look at the east coast of Australia, even over Western Australia, and this is the Bureau's total forecast of rain 4 days 1 to 8